Hello, I'm Sharnali, and today our topic of discussion is RSA algorithm. Now, this comes the introduction. RSA algorithm is a public key encryption technique and it is considered the most secure format. How the name comes is because it was invented by these three scientists, that is Rivest, Shamir, and Edelman. So the name comes RSA algorithm. R for Rivest, S for Shamir, and Edelman A. Now, what are cryptographic key? Now, basically, cryptographic key is a piece of information used for scrambling data so that the data cannot be easily read or understood by the others except the one whom I am sending. Now, what are public key encryption? Public key encryption or public key cryptography, both words are used hand in hand, is a method of encrypting data with two different keys. One is the private and the other is the public key. Now, this is also known as asymmetric encryption. Let's move on to the next, that is the algorithm. These are the features. These three are the features of the algorithm. RSA algorithm is a popular exponential in a finite field over integers including prime numbers. It has to do with prime numbers. These integers, the integers used in this method are large enough so that it makes difficult to decode it. Right? It's very important. Now there are two sets of keys, as I have told earlier, the private and the public one. Now these are the steps of the algorithm. Every algorithm has steps, right? Now these are the steps of this algorithm. Now first is we have to generate the RSA modulus, then the derived number, that is E, then the public key, and then last the private key. Now these are the formulas. Let's move on. Encryption and the decryption formulas. Now these are the this is the encryption formula and this comes the decryption. We know that decryption means from plain text it would be converted to the from cipher it would be converted to the plain text. So this comes the plain text, this is the decryption formula. Now here are the advantages and the disadvantages of RSA. Now RSA is very fast, very simple encryption technique, easier to understand and widely deployed. Now comes the disadvantages. What are the disadvantages? That is, its key generation is very slow, and also the two-part key is vulnerable to GCD attack if poorly implemented, and it's also slow and tricky to implement security. Now that's it. Thank you.